guys, welcome to this course from idea to product using Python Django. So my name is Biplab Jha and I'll be your instructor for this course. And in this course, basically we are going to think of an idea and utilizing the active tool as Python Django, we are going to develop a complete product. Thus, from idea to product using Python or Django. Also, the basic roadmap for this would be to ideate upon what that idea is actually going to be and what you have thought for creating the project. And the next thing would be the requirements, probably different technologies, what you will be using, how you will be starting, what you will be using about those. The next thing is definitely about creating the main background using the Python Django, and then making some ways that is easily readable, retrievable, that can be shared, that can be viewed, and that is actually what we see. Certainly we need to time and again apply to fix that project and help in developing that project time and again. So developing an update or probably deleting for that certain application is necessary. For example, if I have something like my CV and I would like to change certain entries and add or probably delete some entry I would not like to show it to anyone else, then for that purpose I would like to come to this update and delete route and utilize that. Finally, a project is not complete if it's just you who can see it. The project will be complete only if someone else gets to see it, someone third eye gets to critique on it, or someone gets to see how your project is looking like. So we'll be talking about deployment, we'll be talking about hosting, we'll be talking about writing your proper Git requirement, Git readme, or giving a proper direction. So everything about that will be included in idea to product roadmap. So this will be the basic route for web development. The next thing is what we are going to do with this course. So definitely first thing is from idea to we are going to make something that is being available in all platforms. So the first and basic thing that we are going to do is learn something a bit about Python and Django, and utilizing this Python and Django we are going to create the backend of the web application, as well as we are going to use our REST framework to create the API route. So if you want to use probably your data or information into some other applications, then you can create your API through this route as well. And we are definitely going to use the front end HTML, CSS and JavaScript for creating the web page, and we are going to learn how utilizing the Django and the front end, how we can merge their power to show a better web page so that we can create a proper product. Finally, we are going to work through Git and Heroku for hosting. I'm going to talk about different sorts of hosting and different applications, things like Google Cloud hosting, Azure hosting, and Amazon hosting as well, AWS hosting. So we are going to talk about these different sort of hosting, but basically we are going to develop through Heroku because this is free and everyone currently attempting this project can do it. It's simple and easy to get started. So moving in this project, let me give you a clear idea for what we are actually going to do. So basically you can see here it is about making a personal portfolio. So earlier I had some idea regarding how I wanted my own portfolio or portfolio website. So I could have gone through this HTML, CSS and JavaScript and created one on my own and indeed right there. But this idea that it strikes is actually a very beautiful thing, and I would like to develop this into a complete product. So just like me, many of you would want to have your own portfolio, or probably you would like to create a product and then sell it or probably publish it or do it something. So for that purpose, you have an idea and you would like to develop it completely. So to develop it into product, you would probably use some backend applications. For this project, I am currently using Django, and probably you might use something like React or PHP or different applications like that. So this all depends upon you. So this project on this course is currently dealing with these sort of technologies. So basically we are going to use Python, Django, REST framework, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. and we'll talk about Gits. We'll show you about Git, how to write and beautifully show your proper readme, licensing and everything. And finally, we are going to talk about hosting. So I can show you the core value that this project will present you is definitely you will going to have a beautiful portfolio about yourself, as well as you can develop your portfolio about your friends and anyone. Probably it's better to say for your customer. So first thing is we'll learn about Django CRUD application. CRUD stands for create, retrieve, update and delete. So this is the basic core behind every Django application project. And the second thing is we're going to be learning about hosting these backend projects, because hosting the front-end projects are quite very easy, but hosting a backend project are quite difficult sometimes. So we'll be learning about this. There are certain challenges and we'll overcome those. And the last thing is we'll learn to properly document our project, and after documenting the project is only the right way to end the project. So we'll be learning these core values in this project. And with this I would like to say thank you. In the next video you will see what the final product developed in this project would look like, which is the portfolio maker, and this will show you a live demo of that project in that video. And with this I would like to end our introduction, and I'll see you on this lecture, and I hope you enjoy this course. If you ever come across any questions, then you are always free to ask them, and I would like to see you forward and answering yours. Thank you very much.